Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dispenser level sensor in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, a putty knife, and a chain. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Disconnect the dispenser level sensor wire connector from the control board. Now unthread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. As well as the screw securing the access plate. Remove the plate. Now pull the main top forward, lift up, and align it on the screw brackets. Support the main top with the chain. You can now release the dispenser level sensor wires from the retainers and use the small flathead screwdriver to release the old sensor from the dispenser housing. To install the new dispenser level sensor, insert it behind the retaining tabs in the dispenser housing. Secure the wires behind the retainers and feed the wire connector through the hole in the main top. Remove the chain and reposition the washer's main top. Rethread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. Realign the access plate and secure it with the screw. Connect the dispenser level sensor wire connector to the control board. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.